Hey everyone, today I'm diving into some juicy football news that's setting the sports world abuzz. Chelsea Football Club is on the lookout for a new manager, and guess who's caught their eye? It's none other than Leicester City's Enzo Maresca. Yes, you heard that right. After a thrilling campaign that saw Leicester climb their way back to the Premier League, Maresca has become the man of the hour. Why Maresca, you ask? Well, in his first season with Leicester, this 44-year-old Italian maestro didn't just take the team to the Premier League, he led them as winners of the championship. That's no small feat. And it's precisely this success that has Chelsea's owners knocking at Leicester's door, seeking to bring Maresca over to Stamford Bridge. But this isn't just about Maresca's recent triumph. This guy has a history of working magic on the field. Before his stint at Leicester, he was learning the ropes under none other than Pep Guardiola at Manchester City. Imagine that blend of tactical genius. Plus, he's known for his love of a possession-based game and for giving young talents a chance to shine. Names like Cole Palmer and Romeo Lavia might ring a bell. Yep, they've both flourished under Maresca's guidance. Now, Chelsea is looking for someone fresh to take the helm after Mauricio Pochettino, and Maresca seems to fit the bill perfectly. But it's not just about finding the right man for the job. There's talk of compensation, as Chelsea would need to make it worth Leicester's while to release their star manager. It's a big decision with lots of moving parts. Will Maresca make the move? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, this football saga is far from over, and I'll be right here to update you with all the twists and turns. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more sports updates. Until next time, keep the ball rolling.